Hey guys, Kevin here. You're with the Modern Creatures and welcome to another video. We've recently shown you our OPPO Reno5 review, and if you still haven't seen it, you can actually watch it. It should be somewhere up here. Anyway, what we have right now is a special edition Reno5. This is the OPPO Reno5 Marvel Edition. So this is the product of a partnership between OPPO and Marvel, which is not the first time. A couple of years back, there's the Marvel Edition F11 Pro, if I'm not mistaken. Basically, what's changed is only the physical appearance, the design, and of course the box. The specs, the internals, the features are identical with the OPPO Reno5 4G that we reviewed. So here we see the box. It's not your usual Reno5 box. Obviously, it's got this black and red theme going on. You have the Avengers logo right there, the Avengers branding. You have the OPPO Reno5 Marvel Edition label right here, and that's pretty much about it. You see it's longer than usual. That's because it includes accessories like wall charger, phone case, earphones, and even a SIM ejector tool that are all Avengers themed. So that's really exciting. Looking forward to seeing that. And without further ado, let's begin with the unboxing. But again, just a quick one, subscribe to this channel if you enjoy videos like this one, because there will be more coming. Alright, so let's begin the unboxing. First things first, let's remove the plastic wrapper as usual. And we have to be careful with the Swiss knife because there has already been an incident. Alright. Alright, it's got a matte black finish, which is really cool looking. Okay, we got a small dent right here, but that's okay. At the back, we have a couple of details. We see an 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. And this is a quantum black color, so we're looking forward to seeing that. And alright, let's begin the unboxing. Slowly let it slide. I wonder what's the first thing we'll see. Okay. Alright, before we get there, first check this out. So it's almost like seeing an intro, the opening credits of a Marvel movie. You see Hulk, you see Hawkeye, you see Thor. So it's like a comic strip style. It's pretty cool. See it? Alright, set that aside for now. Next up, we have this smaller pack which has embedded logos of the Avengers. So you see Captain America, Iron Man, Thor, and so on. What does this contain? Let's see. Okay, are there more? We have a manual and information guide as always. Next up is a very well presented way of showing off the phone. We have the OPPO label right there. So the black and red theme continues inside. Here's the phone, but yeah, let's check out the contents of the box first. You have a small pull tab right here and it lifts this up. So this is the phone case. We see the included phone case as our first accessory. It comes with this plastic, matte plastic kind of material with a glossy Marvel logo right there. So it's made of this kind of hard frosted plastic. The next thing we see is the rest of the accessories. So we have, first we have, the SIM ejector tool behind. Okay, before that, I kind of missed something. It's in this thin and black paper. I didn't turn it over, but it reveals the SIM ejector tool that's also Avengers themed. So far, this is the best SIM ejector tool that I have ever seen. Check it out. Okay, we're cool. Moving on. What do you want to check out first? Let's start with the topmost part. Wall charger, which also has the same black and red theme, black and red color. Next up, we have the earphones. Now, this is actually pretty cool. Are we gonna check it out now? Let's check it out now. I want to see it. Alright, cool. That reveals that. You have pairs of extra tips right there, and they also vary in sizes. Okay, so basically here it is. It's a 3.5mm jack with Iron Man and Captain America's badges right in there. Last, what do we have here? We have the charging cable, the USB-C charging cable. As with everything, it's also in black and red, kind of like Iron Man, or actually Black Widow color. Okay, phone na pala, phone. Okay, so here's the phone. It's still in its plastic, so let's quickly remove that. Just slide it out to reveal one. Wait, let's remove this first. Whoa! I wasn't expecting that. That's pretty cool. Look at that. The main Avengers logo is right there at the center, and it's just very flashy. It's definitely something that you'd want to show off to people when you use outside because of how it looks. It really looks cool. It really screams that you're an Avengers fan. If people don't get that you're an Avengers fan with this phone, I don't know what will. The texture at the back varies, so you have a matte kind of finish right here. It's a bit sandy, grainy, and then you have a more, I don't know, snake-like pattern right here, and even the texture is very, I don't know, snake-like. It's like touching us. It's very scaly, which is in contrast to this matte finish right here. For the camera module, we have a glossy, I'm guessing, well, it's not much of a fingerprint magnet, but yeah, you have clear glass for your camera module. We have the power button right here. It has that green color at the middle. And on the left, you have the volume controls in Iron Man red color. At the bottom, it's very standard. You have a USB-C, speakers, and a 3.5mm jack. So that's basically the general look of the OPPO Reno5 Marvel Edition. And rather than me just talking about it, describing it, we're gonna show you more of it up close and more personal. Check it out. And that was our OPPO Reno5 Marvel Edition unboxing. As always, visit our website and follow us on our social media pages for more news, features, and reviews. Once again, that's it for me. I'm Kevin. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.